Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we're going to be doing a guess what's in the box video. I got an item from a wrecking yard in Buffalo, New York from a buddy of mine named Tony. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so this came from a friend of mine, Tony. He works, and I believe he also owns Buffalo Auto Wrecking in Buffalo, New York. This is an item for the 1997 limited 4x4 that I just picked up. Replace a couple broken items on it. This box is, because I actually have the box standing up on its side, it is 8 inches and 3/4 of an inch deep. It is 12 inches and 1/4 of an inch wide, and it is 15 and 7/8 of an inch long. What do you guys think is in the box? This is just going to be the quick guess what's in the box video. Nothing, special. It is for the 97. I can tell you it is an exterior part. I'll give you guys that hint. It does go on the outside of the truck. It is not a suspension part. It goes on the body. But that's all I got for you guys today. We'll open it in the next video. I do appreciate you guys watching, checking out the video. Want to give a shout out to Buffalo Auto Wrecking. Tony over there has been great. Going to be getting a few other interior items from him as well. He's got one particular 4Runner that I just keep picking parts from, and he ships them to me. So. But that's all I got for you guys. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I will see you guys on the next video. Peace!